Hello guys, today is 16 January and 17 is almost 11:32. So let's make a trade. Today is our first trade. We got a down volume. Yeah, as you can see, win, and this gotta be win up too. Yeah, and from this market should down a little bit or could be up. No problem. Well, yeah, as you can see, we trade 5 and almost every trade is win just because of our this is back. Well, shit, market is I trade here and going down. Yeah, as you can see, this trade gonna be win, but yeah, it's gonna be down. Let's trade in $5. As you can see, our at the last moment our market going to change, right? Well, what should market actually doing? Yeah. Oh shit. Market is like boom. Yeah, look at this. OMG. At the last second market is going boom. Well, no problem. I have a solution of this. Oh shit. From this. Shit. Well done. How many trades we did? Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 16 and 17. Let's trade and 18. Okay, 19. 19 will be the best option. Yeah, as you can see, we trade 90. Oh my god. 1980, 180. 190 will be the best option. Market should little bit down from this. As you can see, we win. Let's trade $1 more. Yeah, good positions. These positions, there was a high possibility of win, but yeah, this is the what I can say. As you can see, I said double, and why I did double? Because of there is a possibility of high. Yeah. Well, as you for your concern, this is our 9th series of market. What is going on market? What are you doing? Well, perhaps up possibility, then down. Yeah, shit. Yeah, shit. Yes, and our today target going to fill up within a second. Yeah, marketer down, up, down, up. From this market are going to up. Yeah, and one more trade. Oh, what is, yes, it's gonna be Not sure. Yeah, not sure. T, as you can see, this is gonna be down. Market actually not listen to us. Should gotta change market. Yeah, little bit down from this. No way. Market 5 second market actually. No way. Why this down? And yeah, for four $4 is going down. It should down from this. Yeah, down. Yeah, and well done. From 400 to 500 within how many times? I don't know. Perhaps six or 5 minutes. Till then, take care and tata. Bye bye.